So this is something where you will need just a larger bit of paper or cardstock to make your box. So then what we're just going to do, so we've just taken one of these. So what I've got here, so I've just got one of our pattern papers. This is from a Passara collection, but it could be any of your large cardstocks or papers. So all that I'm just going to do here, so I'm just going to hold this down and I'm just going to draw around the outside edge. What I suggest is use a pencil, simply because you can draw and rub out any of the excess lines afterwards. So I'm just going to hold that down. If you happen to have any of our stick and stay, you can be using that as well. So I've just drawn around this side. What I like to do is just put just a wee notch just at each side, just there. And then these wee lines here, just put a small and very light pencil line just like that. Then what you're going to do is you're then going to flip this over. And this is why I like to just pop these two little pencil notches just at the side there. And I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm then going to just draw around all the way just like that. There we go. And then not forgetting these small lines just in between. This is going to be the fold lines. So this one here would be a C6, A6 card size. So there we go. There's the outline of your envelope. You do get envelopes within them, and you've got the small envelope creator within the small scoreboard. And then while Sarah was chatting earlier on, I've just quickly got one. So I've already cut this one out. So then what I'm going to do is if I take our small scoreboard, this one here, and then I've also got, just on mine, we've also got the score tool as well. Now you'll find with this one here, so if I turn that just the right way, it actually clips in place. There's a small clip right at the top, so you're not going to lose it. Always remember, just pop it on, you know it's going to be safe every single time. So if I then bring this one back like this, now I'm going to try and do this just so that you can see overwise. So I'm just going to line this up. So I'm just going to choose line 3. You don't need to know this. I'm only doing this because I don't have the camera up above to look at. So there we go. If I then just line these up, I'm just making sure I've got the right one like that. So hopefully you can see. Let me just choose that right line. Just it right. We have got it. Let's get started and score him just to the side, and I'm just lining that up. Back to front and left to right isn't always easy. So there we go. So let's just score that. I'm just following that pencil line, and I'm just doing that all the way around. So I've lined that one up again, just the other way around so we can see. And then I'm just going to go over like that. I'm just scoring them again just with the tool. And then I'm going to do this last side as well. So actually we've got two more sides. So let's just line that one up and then just score. I'm just going all the way down. So this is where you can see you're then creating your score lines. And this is why I said if you do it lightly in pencil, this just means that you can come along and then just rub it out. However, you get multiple different sizes of the envelope. So then what you can do is take the envelope size just at the next size down, use that as an envelope insert in the middle. So then all that we're going to do, just over those crease lines that we've just done there, we're just going to fold it over using a bone folder that comes included. Then all that we're just going to do is fold them over. Then we're just going to do that side, do this side. Then for speed and quickness, let's just use our tape runner. So I'm just going to add just a bit of our tape runner just to the side. I'm just going to fold that in. Then there we go. We've now got our small card like that all ready for you to go. We've got multiple different sizes as well that you can see within these ones here. These also create the inserts for your envelopes as well. So you just go from the next size down that you can see on this one here. Then you can then actually use your pattern papers, and then you can actually do what I've just done there, trim it down, and it can create an insert for your envelope as well. And then we've also got the same ones, but these create boxes. So you've got a variety of different sizes. These create the base as well as the lid as well, all these different ones. So many different things to kickstart your crafting, or you can then just take your experience at crafting to the next level.